take a quick look at this question. In this question, we are asked, which of the following molecule exhibit sp3 hybridization in its central atom? Now, before answering this question, let me tell you what hybridization means. Hybridization is simply the mixing of orbital to form a new hybridized orbital. Do you get that? In a layman understanding is that when two orbitals are blended together, they form what? A new orbital. It's just like before a bond is formed, before a compound is formed, the one element must react with another. So the orbital of that element will react with the orbital of another element to form a compound. That compound is a new orbital. So that blending of these two orbitals is what we call hybridization. Now, in hybridization, we have different types, but the one that is more common is we have sp hybridization, sp2 hybridization, and sp3 hybridization. I'm going to give you that. Now, remember, hybridization normally take place in the central atom. You get that? In a central atom. Now, let me give you a short form you can use to remember the different types of hybridization. We have group here. I'll say this is group. I draw my column to be what? Hybridization. The bond connecting at the central atom to other atom. Now, for instance, let's take an example of water. Water H2O. If they ask you how many hybridized orbitals are in this compound, now which one is the central atom? O here is the central atom connecting what? Hydrogen here and what? Hydrogen here. This O here has 2 lone pair electron. 2 lone pair electron, and each of the lone pair electron has what? Is a bond. We classify it as what? A bond. So we have 1 here, 2 here, 3 here, and 4. So 4 group is what? sp3 hybridization. Means that water has what? sp3 hybridization. Now let's go to our question. If you look at this option here, this carbon here, carbon is bonded with what? With 2 oxygen atoms. So look at the structure of this compound here. You get that? So this is the central atom. The bond connecting it is how many? We have 1, 2. 2 group is what? sp hybridization. Means that carbon 4 oxide is what? sp hybridization. Let's go to this one now. We have boron here has connected with what? 1, 2, and what? 3. So 3 bond is what? 3 bond, that is a group is what? 3. So is what? This one is in sp2 hybridization. Now we are looking at what? sp3 hybridization. Let's go to this one. Ammonia. Ammonia has what? Ammonia has hydrogen and has what? Have a lone pair of what? Electron. Has a lone pair of electron. So you count the total number of bonds, including the lone pair. So we have 1, 2, 3, and what? And 4. So 4 bond is what? sp3 hybridization. It means that ammonia here is what? sp3 hybridization. Now we have gotten our answer, but let's look at this compound. This compound is 18. 18 is written now. We have 1, we have H here. Now let us look at, we are looking at the central atom is connected by how many bonds? We have 1 bond. We are looking at this central atom. 1 bond is 1, this is 1. So we have how many bonds? 1, 2, 3. So this 18 is what? sp is the groups are what? 3. So sp2 hybridization. Are you following?